Hello, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Shanice if you're new here. In today's video, I will be reviewing my 2021 vision board and making my 2022 vision board. So I just want to thank you guys in advance for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so I can hit 1,000 subscribers. This is my 2021 vision board. I got this frame from the thrift store because I wanted something that really matched the aesthetic of my apartment, since I am supposed to put this somewhere I'm supposed to see every day. So I wanted something that matches with my aesthetic. So I got this gold wooden frame from the thrift shop. Some of the stuff has been on my vision board since 2020. What I do is, if I didn't accomplish something, I would take it from that vision board and put it on my new one, along with like just reassessing my goals and see if I am still interested in achieving that goal or manifesting whatever that was. Right now I'm just gonna go over my board and take off some of the things that I accomplished. I'm just gonna take it apart completely. I hope that I'm able to save some of these pictures because I would really love to reuse them. I don't think I have double-sided tape. I needed double-sided tape for my vision board, but I went to CVS and they were selling it for $8 while Target has the same thing for $4, and I was like, hell no. I photoshopped this one. It says 1000K, which is what my goal was last year. I wanted to hit 100,000 subscribers on Instagram, but I did not work towards that goal. So I'm gonna save this one and put it back on my vision board for this year. This one, for example, one of my goals for last year was to get my driver's license, which I haven't gotten as yet. But I know I'm gonna get this one this year for certain, so I'm not gonna put this one back on my board. I think I did practice self-care last year, but I want to continue practicing more self-care, so I'm gonna definitely put this one back on my vision board. Another one, this is for my YouTube. I've also photoshopped this one with 10,000K subscribers goal for the year. So help me reach that goal by subscribing to my channel. I actually have, this is Stuart Weitzman Thailand boots in black. I actually have 2 of these boots on my vision board for last year, and a crazy story behind one of them because I think I actually manifested one of them. I have these boots, well, these 2. It's the same boot. I have it in black and I have it in this like coffee brown color or walnut brown color. And the crazy thing was, they had their taupe one on sale on line. They had it like on a clearance sale and it was like 65% off. So I was like, I could not miss that sale. I ordered the boots in taupe, expecting to get a color like the jacket that she's wearing. I was hoping to get a color like that. These are the color that I got, which is pretty similar, if not the same. This is not taupe, at least I don't think so. This is far from this color. I'm gonna put up a picture of what they're supposed to look like, but I'm happy with the color and I take it as a win. Now this one, the Chanel bag. That's why this is up there, because I want that Chanel bag. But I'm gonna, even though I still do want this bag, I have another one for 2021 that I fell in love with more, and I'd rather get that and focus my energy on that one than this one at the moment.
Don't think that falling in love will happen to us, no matter how hard we try to live our fantasies across the seas. But I'm afraid the ship has sailed, 'cause I don't think you want me here with you, and now you want me gone. Oh, and I don't.
My vision board is all done and complete. I'm gonna just go over it a little bit. My vision board for 2022 didn't get to print out like the year. I forgot about that one. And my quote for 2020 is, well, 2022 and 2020. 2020 is long gone, and thank goodness. Well, my quote for 2022 is one of my favorite quotes by Confucius, and that is, choose a job you love and you will never work a day in your life. I had to do like a research on Confucius back in high school, and that was the quote I chose, and from then that has been my favorite quote, and I wanted to make it my 2020 quotes because my goals of what I want to achieve are the amount of subscribers I want to achieve, I want to work towards in 2022. I have them on my vision board, and 100k, that is my goal. This one is just the 100k everything, 100k in my bank account, 100k on Instagram, 100k on YouTube, 100k everything. We're going for 100k here. Better money management, like budgeting my money better, manifesting more money to afford the things I want. I put back some like skincares on here, like self-care, skincare, and basically exercise, and basically just like taking care of myself, my entire body. That's what those represent. Also a few things that I want, which are like these 2 bags. I'm surprised these are like the only physical things, well, except from the car. Let me put it up more. So I have a pink Tesla on here because Tesla is the only electric car that I know about. I don't know much about car, and a pink Tesla would be fun to have, so that's why there's a pink Tesla here. My dream house, I don't know if I will be able to achieve that this year, but I still put it on my vision board, and I'm gonna see how long it takes me to get that off there. I'm exposing myself right now. And to places that I want to travel, there's supposed to be another one here, but I'm missing a few of my prints. I did not get those prints from CVS, so CVS, you owe me 60 cents. So there's Paris on here and Bali, and another place I wanted to travel to was Japan, but I guess that's not in the cards for me because I didn't get those prints from CVS. You owe me, CVS. But yes, I've made a one for my iPod, and I think I'm gonna put it on my laptop too as my screensaver. Pretty much the same thing as the one on this one, just on a screen version, so I can focus on my goal. Because one of my biggest part of 2022, one of my biggest goals is to stay focused on my goals. So this will help a whole lot. Anywhoosies, that is it for this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel so I can reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Let me know your goals as well for 2020. What's on your vision board? Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
I read that the French always say what's on their mind, leaving lipstick stains on tall glasses of wine. Practically invented being nonchalant for fun. They tear apart Voltaire just like afternoon croissants.